So that right there is the Swan Bridge. Look at this market. There's the duck right there. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Look at these things. These are cube houses. Oh my god, that looks
stunning.
perfect. They did a 10 here. What is up, guys? My name is Carson. Sammy's in the door there doing the poll of the day, and we are in Rotterdam, Netherlands. And we've got a full day here. We are here from 10 till 9, so what is that, 11 hours, so a whole day here. We're gonna hit the buffet for some breakfast real quick, get off the boat, and we are gonna do pretty much everything you can do here in the port, so see you guys there. There it is, first glimpse of Rotterdam, Netherlands. We just got off, and this is really cool. That's a parking garage for bikes. It's bike parking up there. So that right there is the Swan Bridge, built in what was it built? 1996, the Swan Bridge of Rotterdam. Look how pretty it is. It's a really beautiful bridge. It does kind of remind me of a swan. It does kind of give a swan vibe. We're gonna walk across it. Not something you see every day. A water taxi, and he is hauling ass. Oh my god. That may be the fastest taxi in all of Rotterdam. Oh my god. Probably the best video I've gotten of the getaway. Look at it, there it is. The Norwegian getaway. And this bridge is pretty long. So, heading up it, gonna go explore and then head on a ship tour. Look at this, something I've never seen before in my life. That's an amphibious bus right there. It's called the Splash Bus. That is literally an amphibious bus. I've never seen something like that in my life. All right, we're on this side now. Gonna try to find our boat tour where it comes out of. It's cold here, it's like 62 today. So everybody's in jackets and long pants other than Sammy, who's in a skirt and a t-shirt. We think we found wild lavender. Lots of bees. Do we think that's lavender? Not sure, but I think. Let me know if you know. Is that lavender? Just a whole row of what I would call lavender. So here you go, as we're just waiting for the our boat, which should be there. We're gonna go find it about 1:05. But look at this. This is like their little supermarket. Spar. Look how cool this is. Nice, cool little foods. This is so cool. I love the little supermarkets.
Yeah, they're all so different. You got your eggs, your yogurt, a ton of drinks, grab and go food. I mean, you have a lot in here. Look at all the grab and go food you can do. They look pretty cool. This is pretty cool. It's 2 tapas for $4.50, and you can get all these little tapas.
There it is. Old Glory, our boat. Sammy said it perfect. It's cold, wet, and dark. So basically the 3 best things for riverboats: cold, wet, and dark. But we're gonna make the best of it. We are gonna get on this riverboat cruise, take it around, see what this beautiful country and city has to offer, and we'll show you guys along the way. 15 euros per adult, and we're getting on. We're seeing Rotterdam. We made our own kind of seating, which is even better.
It is really nice.
We're right here, got our own ledge for a drink.
Yeah.
And get to see the whole thing.
Yeah,
what do you think, babe?
It's cool.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
I actually like it.
Beer.
Bolognese chips.
Beer and bolognese. Lay's bolognese.
Kind of tastes like pasta.
Lay's bolognese.
Pretty fire, actually.
Wow.
I've had some bad ones. This one's pretty good.
For a while in the late
Here's the Rotterdam.
1990s.
It's a hotel
And a
now.
nice attraction
It's a
to
hotel
visit.
and an attraction. Just sits there. That's actually cool. That's the coolest thing we've seen on this whole trip. I'll be honest, it's kind of boring on this trip for the fact that I hate to say it, but look at the Ferris wheel. The next coolest thing we've seen. But on most of this trip, it's just been shipping, because this is the largest shipping port in Europe. You just see a bunch of shipping containers. It's kind of not much going on. But that is cool. That's a Ferris wheel. And then that thing's really cool. The Rotterdam, 1959 that was built. And then it had a maiden voyage to New York. All right, babes, what do you think?
I liked it.
I did not think it was worth 2 hours.
I thought it went pretty fast.
You want to know why I didn't think so? All I saw was shipping containers.
You see the port.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a port tour.
So if you want to see the port tour, I would agree that it's a 10 out of 10. If that's actually what you're going for. They did have a bar.
They had a bar. I saw boats. I saw geese. I saw windmills. I saw a lot. You probably just weren't looking in the right places.
Oh, okay. Well, I stand corrected. Sammy loved it.
It was fun. And it's cold out today, so it's kind of nice being indoors.
There you go. So one yes, one no. All right, we're gonna head to, I think, a market, I guess, right?
Markthal.
Markthal. All right, here we are. We found it. The Markthal. Yeah, definitely apartments on the outside.
Cool. Be cool to live.
Really kind of cool to live here. We're gonna go inside. Look at this thing, dude. Oh my God. Whoa. Look at this thing. Look at this artistry. Whoa, that was cool. Here we go. Look at this market. This is incredible. De Pinkelzwinkel. De Pinda Kasawinkel. So we have a little predicament. We have a $200 euro. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to say it. We have a 200 euro bill. We're unsure how to break it. Someone here is gonna have to break it. I bet the Kookwinkel is gonna do it. Look at this Chinese food. I just want to taste it. All right, so I think we're gonna try a couple different things in this market. We're just gonna walk around, see what we like. We're gonna try that noodle over there, and then one of these little chicken kebabs, and taste it, see how it goes. But we didn't realize it. We think it's cold.
I think he's microwaving.
Because we see him microwaving it, which is kind of odd. We got one skewer and those noodles. It came out to 665 euro.
We got like this many noodles.
Also, don't ever bring a 200 euro here.
I've told him 6 times you can't break that here.
They won't.
He's asked everyone.
I've asked everybody.
Also,
how are we gonna break it? How are we
You're
gonna?
gonna have to go to someone major, like
Oh my
a hotel
God.
or.
Well, I mean,
Well,
why would?
Well, the guy said something about legal.
A lot of
they
frauds.
can't. Yeah, there's a lot of frauds, so they can't take
Yeah,
it.
he said a lot of frauds. Really, really hot. He nuked it in the microwave.
Nothing to go home
Yeah,
about.
it's nothing
Just tastes like
special. I'll
noodles.
be honest.
That's what I figured it would be, though.
Definitely not overly impressed.
I don't think you go and get Chinese here.
I wanted to try it, but I'm not overly impressed. Maybe try the chicken.
Let's get the Chinese.
Wasn't 100%
I
impressed
wasn't
with that.
surprised that it was bad because they did microwave Chinese food in the
All
Netherlands.
right, we're gonna try something else. We'll see you guys in the next one. Look at this supermarket. It is. It's definitely a Chinese market. Baby bok choy.
That looks a good bok choy.
Like baby bok choy. All the hoisins. Wow, I never realized there's so many rice noodles. Just never seen so many different like sauces and stuff. Look at this market, is incredible.
There's so much here. It's unreal. This
All right.
duck burger.
We're going to the duck truck. Blue burger, cheddar burger, goat burger, Asian, and Vega.
That one.
Yeah, that's what we did right there.
I like it.
Yeah.
Order completed. Come here, Cody. What do we got? What is this?
Fried udon
Okay.
with teriyaki,
Oh my.
corn, bean
That
sprouts,
looks better than what I just had.
and broccoli. It is
Oh, I'm gonna
amazing.
try that. Hold that right real quick.
It has the teriyaki has a little bit of a kick, but
Okay.
I don't do spice at all.
All right.
Wow.
Same place we got it from.
That's amazing. No, this they had hand done.
Yeah, they cooked it.
This is
That's where you
ramen.
walked up to.
Tastes nothing like what we had
No,
over there.
that's fresh made.
Good.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
There's the duck right there. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Wow.
Duck burger.
Like
Really good?
Mustard on there.
Yeah,
That's incredible.
I'm excited.
You're gonna love it.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's incredible. If you're
I'm
ever in
full
this
now.
market square, you need to come to the duck truck. Absolutely incredible.
I've never had anything like that in my life.
No, they were amazing.
It's insane.
Come see that guy, amazing. All right, maybe we'll go try one more thing before we get out of here. Also, that big, beautiful bowl of noodles and what was it? Bean sprouts and broccoli that Cody had.
Very good.
This is where they came right here. She hand
Three
walks it.
ways: rice, ramen, or udon. You got udon.
She walks it right back there.
Very good.
She basically added what you want,
10 out of 10.
and then she hand walks it. It was amazing.
Very good.
Very, very,
Skip
very
the
good.
microwave place.
Skip the microwave place. Absolutely.
When he put it in the microwave, I was like,
Yeah,
You
we
made-
should have known then.
how pretty that is.
Oh my god, it's
So
amazing.
pumped for this.
Yeah, you made a good call.
Yeah, that looks really good.
And he's hand making it right there. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks amazing. All right, so we went and got a euro. It looks amazing. We haven't tried it yet. First, before I do that, look at all this. So you can walk up top, and all of these have sitting areas on top of all the restaurants. On top of all the food restaurants, you can come up here. You can literally sit above everybody.
This was my pick.
This was Sammy's
I'm
pick,
seeing.
and I'll be honest, it looks amazing.
It's pretty good. Need to get in deeper though.
Got it. Fair enough. Fresh baked pita.
Yeah. And very soft. Not hard at all.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it
They
looks
put
good.
a garlic sauce.
Yeah, garlic. Yeah, garlic sauce. Overall, everything here has been super, super good. Better than Norwegian's food.
I gotta get one more video before we get out of here. Look at this Indian restaurant. Wow.
You could have gotten a couple things. Let's see.
Butter chicken.
Yeah.
Mango chicken looks good.
Well, I would do this.
Chicken tikka masala.
Oh my god, I would have done this. Look, I bet you can get. Oh my god, look at the different naans.
Wow.
I didn't even know you could get that many
Oh my
lawns.
god. Alright, let's go meet him before we get too late. But that looks amazing. Alright, we ate our fill. We are going to now go downstairs to go check out the mall for a minute.
This is the most beautiful flower shop. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The smell when you walk in here, there's not that many flowers, but it is like an overwhelming smell of floral. It's just crazy. I think the boys are buying their girlfriends some little flower things and then walking around here. But super cute little shop in here. Adorable. So just so you know, if you have to go to the bathroom,
I just went pee. It was $1.
$1 to go to the bathroom in this place.
And they're not clean.
And it's really, they're not clean? Wow, you're paying for nothing.
All right, guys, say goodbye to the awesome food court slash shopping mall. We are heading out. I could have spent a whole day there, but I think we ate our fill. I think we tried 6, 7 different things.
From the front to the back.
Yeah, we did. And now we're out the back.
And so here we are at the famous little square houses. Really cool, honestly. Very bizarre. Never seen anything like it. I saw it online and I was like, yeah, that might not be very cool in person, but honestly, in person, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of them. I mean, look at that. I think they're called the cube houses. I'm not completely sure. And it was pretty easy to find right behind the food hall. Literally directly behind it. You can't miss it. So if you come to the food hall, come see these little houses. Super cool architecture.
Look at these things. These are cube houses. I think Sammy got a video, but I'm the videographer, so Sammy's just the showgirl. Hey, what do they need to do?
Like
so we
and
can keep,
subscribe.
because what are we gonna take? We're gonna take, and we know for sure an MSC cruise.
Hopefully a virgin.
We already booked the
If he loves me,
MSC. We
he'll
already
take
booked
me
the
on a
MSC.
virgin.
We're going in 4 weeks.
If he loves me for my anniversary, he'll take me on a virgin cruise. So if we don't go on one,
Only if you guys hit that like button and subscribe button.
I need money.
Please.
Help me, I'm poor.
Help me, I'm poor.
Yep, do it. But on a real note, look at these houses. They are really cool.
Yeah.
We're at the Euromast, and look at this thing. They're rappelling off.
Yeah, they're rappelling down from the top.
That looks no fun.
It looks amazing.
You want to do that, Dad? Wow, they're so cool. Alrighty, we're getting tickets for the Euromast. We're going higher. 180 bucks.
For 7 of us to get to the midway point,
Okay.
Yep.
and then 6 of us going all the way to the
Nice, can't wait. This has a live feed that shows you where you're at.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can see the little highlights going up and down.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. There's the cruise right there. You can see for miles. Look at this view. It's freaking beautiful. So now that we're up here, you got to climb that ladder, and then that thing takes you all the way up. Me and Dad, we're going on that. Sammy's not going. She didn't buy a ticket. She's a wimp. All right, we're climbing the stairs. This is kind of creepy, dude. Here we go. We're climbing. Oh man, this is freaky. Wow, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Dude, it's pretty freaky, bro. I've never done stairs off the side of a cliff. Look, you can see right through. Oh my God, dude, this is trippy, bro. Here we go.
Just a few moments, we're going to start our journey to the top. We'll bring you up to a height of 185 meters.
A heart attack. Oh my God.
Dad's already freaking.
They didn't tell me it was going to be like a festival. Oh my God, guys, we're going to EDC. Here we go.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm not looking down.
Yeah, you don't want to look down.
That's pretty cool.
Well, we did do the kind of Space Needle is what I would call it, but they called it something different here and I forgot the name. Pretty cool. We did go all the way up. The ground falls out, or the ground, like the glass goes away so you can see through. Really, it was really freaky. Now we are trying to get some pub food. We just Ubered to a place and unfortunately it's closed. So I think we're gonna find somewhere else and then we'll see you guys there. All right, came to a little pub. We found it. We walked to it. Very hip. Very hip. Looks cool. So here's their menu. It's got like, this is real Dutch right here. Chicken satay. Looks like it just came off.
Yeah, it looks good.
What do you think, Cody?
Good?
Really
And the
good.
mayo's really good too.
Oh, wow. Well, there's a steak.
Thank God we only got one.
Here's a, oh my God, what did we cost?
A fork.
$20.
That's a bargain.
Look
Look at
at
that
that
thing.
thing. That looks like you should get the Haven.
Yeah,
Oh my
it does look like what you get at the Haven.
Wow.
Looks
Look
cooked
at that.
perfect.
Look at that.
Cut into
Look
that.
at
Oh my God,
that.
it looks
I
beautiful.
don't even know how to get into it.
Oh my God, that
That's
looks
stunning.
perfect. They did it.
Stunning. Here, I'll try it. I'll melt in your
Oh
mouth.
my God, I can't wait. I'm gonna have some. All right, so the food we've deemed is amazing. Only complaint is that the boys' buns for their hamburgers are rock hard.
Oh no.
Oh my
Only
God.
complaint. Other than that, everring's incredible. There's the bill, $196. A little more expensive, but it was amazing. So we are gonna finish up here. It's 8:30. Got to be back to the boat in 30 minutes, and we'll see you on there. So, honey, what do you think of the food?
Amazing again. I mean, I don't understand what Norman's
Just a little pub. It was
10?
a pub.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10
We
food.
gotta stop filming 'cause there's
Yep. All right. Well, we got to stop filming. We're going through security.
So good. Again, just
Yep.
pork.
We made it in just timing again.
Let me
8:30.
tell you something, how crazy it is. We asked what the mayo, what sauce it was.
Yeah, 'cause it was so
didn't
good.
taste like mayo, our
Yep.
mayo. We literally asked what sauce the mayo was.
Yep.
Because it was that good.
So absolutely amazing. We are getting on the boat.
So good.
We'll see you guys inside. All right. So Sammy has this big idea that she's gonna hide this duck. I don't know how she's gonna do it. We're gonna put it in this planter here where the green grass is because it's where the green plant is because it's green.
Decade.
I'm gonna stand right here in the corner to block
There's
you.
a lot of them.
I'm gonna stand right here. That's enough, dude. How'd you do?
I don't know. I got really nervous. That was hidden.
I liked it. It looked good, bro. Looked really good. I don't think that's gonna be found for a while.
We hit it. Let us know down below if you found it.
Nice. Here we go, heading out of Rotterdam. There's the captain right there. Look at him. He's looking.
We have such a good view.
We have an awesome view. Look at him. There's the captain right there doing all his work.
We got lucky he's on this
Look,
side
he's
today.
talking to them all. That's we're leaving. Leaving Rotterdam. What an amazing day. It's amazing how late it stays bright here. It's
Right.
9:50 right now.
It's literally 10 p.m.
Yeah, it's almost 10, and it's still kind of light. All right, let's go. We are hitting up Dueling Pianos with the group. Sammy paid $20 for this song. So tell me, so what happened?
So we were in Dueling Pianos and we had a 20 because we're annoying.
The highest amount of money
The
was
highest-
15.
yeah,
They
the
have
highest
to
money.
play the last song.
On
They
the
have to play
highest
the
bidder.
most expensive bidder song last.
So whoever paid the highest has to play the song, right?
Right.
So I sent Brady up. Brady wanted
Tarzan.
A Tarzan song. I
Yeah.
don't know what it is. It's like the Tarzan theme song, I think.
Remember.
Anyway, that's what it was. So he couldn't play. He didn't know the song. So he goes, who put up Tarzan? Who put up Tarzan? Of course, these boys are weak. Don't stand up.
So
stand
Sammy
up.
literally stands in the middle of the crowd.
I stand up. I go.
I was embarrassed.
You don't know Tarzan?
I was so embarrassed.
He goes, no, I don't know Tarzan. I said, then I want.
It's a Shaggy song.
What's it called now?
I don't know.
Oh, I want It Wasn't Me.
So I didn't realize how raunchy of a song it was.
It is the raunchiest.
They actually didn't
piano
want to play it
song.
either, but he was kind of between a rock and a hard
Uh-huh.
place. Sammy
Because
kind
he
of
paid
pegged him.
$20. He didn't know Tarzan. It's not my fault.
So he had to play it.
He played. It wasn't
The
me.
girl
at
rapped
end.
the whole thing.
Honestly, she was great.
She did. She rapped the whole
It was
thing.
good.
But
It
Sammy
was
kind of
very
pegged him
good.
where
I
it
did.
hurt.
I did. I hit him where it
I don't
hurt.
know if they want you back next time.
Probably not.
And now we're gonna go pay off our guest services, or guest card a little bit because I bought that ring for Sammy. I don't know if you guys saw it. And then we're gonna go play the casino for a bit, and then we're gonna call it a night because we've got
I
Belgium.
want food,
We
and
have
I
Belgium.
can't get food.
We have Belgium tomorrow.
Yeah, it's gonna
Belgium
be
chocolate,
really
Belgium
fun.
waffles.
The boys want waffles.
So
In the morning, I'm
making waffles. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We will see you guys tomorrow.